Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And this week we're supposed to have some big updates in the Windows Insiders builds. We talked about how the Windows Insiders would be getting a new start menu, would be getting an AI agent in the settings app. There'd be a lot of things coming up all through the Windows updates of the Windows Insider builds. Well, nothing has happened this week. There is a huge bug in the Windows Insider builds that prevents Microsoft from pushing any of those builds right now. So we'll see what happens next. Probably next week they'll have fixed what problems there is. But I had a lot of you guys tell me, I can't wait for some of the new features to pop up in my Windows Insider builds. So we were talking about, a few weeks. Apparently, pretty much, actually, many of them were to be launched with this update this week. That never happened. So if you're a Windows Insider, hang in there. Next week will probably be the time where something will happen, given that they will be fixing the bugs. And it's better that they hold on than to have a very buggy Windows operating system. So lots of stuff coming up, and a lot of those are going to happen with Windows 11 24H2 a little later. Some will happen with Windows 11 25H2, which will be the next version of Windows. But definitely some changes, especially on the start menu, and that AI agent to help us fix problems without having to deal with searching all the time and trying to figure out why this or that doesn't work. These are, I think, very good ideas for Windows users. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.